Hello crochet addicts, this is a tutorial for this beautiful poppy flower brooch. It takes only 10 minutes to make, so let's start. First, I will show you what I used. I used Baby Best from Alize yarn, red and black. I used a 4mm crochet hook, a cutter, a darning needle, and a safety pin. Next, the first thing that we have to do is to do a slip knot and then chain 30. This is the length of our petals. This brooch is really cool to wear on any outfit. You can wear it on your jacket, you can wear it on your t-shirt. It looks really nice. I always wear this kind of brooch. The first row will be only single stitches in each loop from the chain that we did before. So we will have in the end 29 stitches. For the second row, we will do 2 double crochet in the first stitch of the previous row. Then we will do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And in the fourth stitch of the previous row, we will do a slip stitch and chain 1. And this will be our first petal. Then we will repeat this sequence for 6 times. And we will have a total of 7 petals in the end. Now our petals are finished. Look how nice they look. So next, what we have to do is to fit in the petals in order to look like a flower and to sew all the ends inside and form the flower. This is really easy. The petals of our poppy flower is finished now, so we will have to do the center of the flower. For this, we will do a slip stitch and then we will chain 3. After that, we will yarn over in the first stitch of the chain 5 times. And this is a puffy stitch. After that, we need to slip stitch and chain 3, and then slip stitch in the first stitch of the previous chain. And that's it. It's that easy. And now we have to sew in our flower center. And we are almost finished. Now our poppy flowers is finished, so we just need to sew in the safety pin. This is a really easy and beginner-friendly project, so if you just started with crocheting, you should try and do this cute brooch because it looks really nice during springtime and winter time, and you can wear it in all seasons. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I also hope that by the end of this video you will already have your own brooch. And if you enjoyed it and you learned from it, please like and subscribe to my channel to see what I will do next, because I will have a lot of beautiful projects to share with you. So have a great day and bye bye.